Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel. So here I'll show you how to hook up a circuit. So this is a 15 amp circuit. Okay, so we're gonna hook it up to this one here. Exterior plug, 15 amp feed. So you got your regular 14-2 wire. First your ground. There we go. You have to loosen a lug first. So here we'll loosen the next one. Okay. That's your ground circuit. Wire management's really important. Cosmetics count for electrical. So make your feeds nice and straight. Tuck your ground to the rear of the cabinet so all the grounds are in the same spots. You'll notice I have everything nice and organized. We'll hook up the neutral. So this one's neutral. First double check the torque. There we go. Neutral's next. Ground's in the back, neutral's in the middle, hot's in the front. There we go. Now you're hot. Tuck the neutral in there. Make these nice and straight. There we go. Okay, now for your hot. Wire management is so important. You should take whatever time it takes to make sure that everything is symmetrical and neat. There we go. Don't need it really that long. There we go. Okay, now we'll put that under this 15 amp breaker. And that will be the exterior circuit, dedicated circuit, one line only. Yeah, I'll move you a bit. There we go. And then torque by hand. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. There we go. That's how your electrical box should look. Oh yeah, we should start with it's off. The main breaker's off.